Have you ever wondered how to look cute at school without spending hours getting ready? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about how to look cute at school with simple, easy tips. Let's dive right in. Play with hairstyles. Switch up your look with different hairstyles. Try braids, ponytails, or even cute hair accessories to add a fun twist to your daily style. Keep skin fresh. Focus on a clean, fresh face. Use a gentle cleanser in the morning and a light moisturizer to keep your skin glowing all day. And don't forget your sunscreen. Stylish outfits. Mix and match your wardrobe. Layering pieces like a cute jacket over a simple dress or pairing a graphic tee with a skirt can make a big difference. Accessorize wisely. Add a touch of personality with accessories. A fun necklace, stylish watch, or a cute pair of earrings can elevate your outfit instantly. Comfortable shoes. Choose shoes that are both cute and comfortable. Stylish sneakers or ballet flats can keep you looking good and feeling great all day. Keep it simple with makeup. Opt for a natural makeup look. A bit of mascara, tinted lip balm, and a touch of blush can enhance your features without being too much. Stay organized. A tidy backpack and cute stationery can keep you organized and stress-free, which makes you look and feel better. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin clear and your energy up. Carry a cute water bottle as a fun accessory. Good posture. Stand tall and walk confidently. Good posture not only looks good but also boosts your confidence. Be yourself. The best way to look cute is to be yourself. Wear what makes you happy, and don't be afraid to show off your unique style. And there you have it. My top 10 tips for looking cute at school. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun and fabulous content. Share your own tips in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Stay cute. Stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.